Hi, I'm Janet Petro, Kennedy Space Center Director, and I want to welcome you to KSC's 2021 Agency Honor Awards Ceremony. And if you can believe it, it's our 6th virtual Honor Awards ceremony. I know we had all hoped to be together in person for this one, but next time, with any luck, we'll be able to do this and truly celebrate together in person.
And I'm Kelvin Manning, Deputy Director here at KSC. 2022 marks Kennedy's diamond anniversary, where we are celebrating 60 years of being NASA's launch site for human spaceflight and the starting point for the hundreds of uncrewed launches, new technologies, and scientific breakthroughs. These accomplishments of the last 6 decades would not have been possible without our incredible workforce.
Are you 6 decades old? Don't lie.
Well, maybe.
Let's be okay. All right, we
Maybe.
both are, I think. Just think of what we have accomplished since our last awards ceremony. Humans are again on a regular cadence of crewed flight to the International Space Station, work that's made possible through our Commercial Crew Program. Artemis 1 is in the final stretch before launch, a day that will signal the beginning of a new era of spaceflight as the mission paves the way for humans to leave the bounds of low Earth orbit for the first time in 5 decades. And incredible missions that unfurl the secrets of our universe, both far from our planet and close to our home, are launching regularly through our Launch Services program. This extraordinary work has continued through extraordinary times, all because of the talent, the dedication, and the perseverance of our incredible workforce, all because of you.
For today's ceremony, we are highlighting another one of our great employee resource groups at KSC, the Lesbian, Gay, Bisexual, and Transgender, or LGBT Employee and Allies Network. Our ERGs provide us with support, tools, and resources that enhance the workplace for the benefit of employees and the center. Here's Melissa Coleman, LGBT ERG co-chair, along with other members of the group and group leadership, to discuss the important role of this ERG.
Hi there, I'm Melissa Coleman. I'm one of the new co-chairs of the LGBT ERG. The reason I joined this ERG as a new employee is because I realized we have a long way to go in educating people about our community. When I came out, it was in the military after the Don't Ask, Don't Tell policy was revoked, and I turned many heads when that happened, including my own family's. Since I've been at NASA, I realized there's still that awkward silence that comes when we mention who we are or who we are married to, and I do not want to be judged for being my authentic self. Being myself in the workplace makes my work and NASA's missions more effective. Through this ERG, I have found others who have faced the same challenges as I have, and it's given me more allies.
Hi, I'm Amy. I recently joined the leadership team of the KSC LGBTQ ERG. And fitting for this place, that's a whole mouthful of acronyms. So let me break down what it means to me. A few years ago when I came out at work, everyone was supportive, but nobody knew what to do. We stumbled through it, and together we found a way for me to bring my authentic self to work. I volunteer for the ERGs so I can help those who come after me. A journey like mine can be very scary. I am visible so that others can see it's possible to be themselves. And through the KSC LGBTQ Employee Resource Group, I feel like I can thus help others like me.
Hello, my name is Patrick Feeney. I am proud to serve as your workforce data analyst in the Office of Diversity and Equal Opportunity. I also served as our secretary in the KSC LGBT Employees and Allies Network for over 10 years. My time in the ERG showed me firsthand how essential unity is to a team and what a crucial role it plays in creativity, innovation, and mission success. LGBT Americans make up 6% of the latest national estimate based on 2020 data. However, 1 in 6 adults in Generation Z, the Artemis generation, consider themselves LGBT. At KSC, there are around 100 openly LGBT federal employees, in addition to our many contractor partners and ally supporters. For Pride Month and all year, let's continue recognizing our LGBT community members and leaders who make an impact at NASA.
Hi, my name is Glenn. and I'm the new outreach coordinator for the LGBT ERG at KSC. Being a part of this ERG will help me to be confident with who I am at work, bring out the best of me for being my true self, and be the voice of the LGBT community at KSC in creating KSC a safe space for everyone. I am excited to bring the fire to this ERG. Please join us at our future events like the Ice Cream Social in celebrating Pride Month in June, Space Coast Pride in September, and Orlando Pride in October.
My name is Christopher Smith. I'm a proud ally of the LGBT community and proud to serve as the new LGBT ERG Secretary. To me, being an ally boils down to caring. You don't have to be lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, queer, intersex, asexual, or anything else in order to care about those who are, or to believe that they deserve to feel safe, valued, and equal. Demonstrating allyship here at KSC means making sure that our LGBT coworkers know that they are a valued part of our one NASA family. That can be accomplished by doing something as small as including your preferred pronouns in your email signature to further normalize it for everyone, or by taking our LGBT Ally Pledge. Here you can pledge to stand out by showing your support, speak up when encountering anti-LGBT behavior or misinformation, and join in by incorporating these into your everyday. When you take the pledge, you'll receive a certificate to display in your cubicle or office, declaring it a safe space, free of judgment and prejudice. Trust me when I say that your smile will never be as big as when someone tells you that something you did made them feel more safe and accepted. In the words of Maya Angelou, you could be the rainbow in someone's cloud. To take our Ally Pledge or to find information about our ERG or the events we discussed here, please visit our website at lgbt.ksc.nasa.gov.
Thank you, KSC LGBT, for helping us to help each other to be a closer and better NASA family.
So thank you, Melissa, and thanks to all of you who have shared with us how important this community is to you.
This year, we aren't just honoring our center's history, we are writing the next chapter. This celebration is to recognize the hard work of each and every person who is dedicating their lives to continuing the work of the giants who have come before us and laying the foundation for future generations. Thank you for joining us as we recognize so many of our coworkers for what they have accomplished. I also want to thank the leaders for their nominations. Acknowledging greatness around us is important to our success.
And now, let's get started with the presentation of awards. We will hope you enjoy this event with your families and friends and reach out to your fellow honorees to let them know how proud you are of their accomplishments.
Presidential Rank Awards. Each year, the President recognizes and celebrates a small group of career senior executives with the Presidential Rank Award for exceptional long-term accomplishments. Winners of this prestigious award are strong leaders, professionals, and scientists who achieve results and consistently demonstrate strength, integrity, industry, and relentless commitment to the excellence in public service.
Scott, Colorado, Meritorious Executive. Jennifer Coons, Meritorious Executive. Michael Bolger, Distinguished Executive.
The Distinguished Service Medal is NASA's highest form of recognition, awarded to a government employee who, by distinguished service, ability, or vision, has personally contributed to NASA's advancement of the United States' interests.
Josephine Burnett, for outstanding leadership and accomplishments to multiple mission directorates and programs to further the nation's goals in space. Eric Denson, for long-term dedication, technical leadership, and expertise in electrical and electronic systems, ensuring safe and successful support of spaceflight programs and projects. Dr. David Tipton, for distinguished sustained commitment and leadership of KSC's health and medical program, including during an unprecedented pandemic, enabling mission success.
The Distinguished Public Service Medal is NASA's highest form of recognition, awarded to a non-government individual who, by distinguished service, ability, or vision, has personally contributed to NASA's advancement of the United States' interests.
Colonel Robert Bon Jovi, for creating a culture of cooperation that maximizes launch opportunities for national security space missions and NASA human and robotic spaceflight missions.
Hi everyone, I want to congratulate Trevor Tesel for receiving an Early Career Achievement Medal, Stephen Horn for receiving an Exceptional Service Medal, and Samantha Cochran for receiving a KSC Certificate of Commendation. These are 3 of the 23 superstars who I am proud and honored to have on our KSC OGC team of legal professionals. Take care, everyone.
Outstanding Leadership Medal. This prestigious NASA medal is awarded to government employees for notable leadership accomplishments that have significantly influenced the NASA mission.
Linda Ewell for exceptional leadership, business management, and contributions to personnel career development that facilitate safety and mission success at Kennedy Space Center. Gregory Gaddis for exceptionally high-impact leadership and guidance of KSC's Coronavirus Executive Integration Team. Eric Gore for exceptional leadership of cross-organizational technical teams in the preparation of Mobile Launcher 1 for Artemis 1. Robert Hole for outstanding leadership, safety, and excellence, advancing multi-agency radiological contingency management team readiness in the Radiological Control Center for Mars 2020. Melissa Jones for outstanding leadership as the Exploration Ground Systems NASA Landing and Recovery Director. Richard Jones for leadership managing the Commercial Crew Program Mission Management and Integration Office and contributions leading to successfully meet NASA's commercial mission goals. J.L. Lamoth for demonstrating exceptional leadership to NASA in dealing with state and federal entities during complex negotiations involving the Indian River Bridge replacement. Ronnie Lawson for exemplary performance promoting NASA's core values of safety, integrity, teamwork, inclusion, and excellence in the Exploration Research and Technology Directorate.
Congratulations, Mai Miller, on receiving the KSC Certificate of Commendation. You're the driving force behind the Pathways program here at KSC. You've enabled change and significant improvements, all while supporting students and management along the way. From recruitment to graduation, and you make it look easy. Mai, you are so deserving of this honor. Congratulations again, and thank you for all that you do.
Ralph Michaelis for continued outstanding leadership in providing the LSP infrastructure that has supported over 190 successful launches for the agency, government, and commercial users. Becky Murray for exceptionally innovative and effective leadership, improving mission success, increasing diversity and inclusion, and responding to the virtual and hybrid environments. Dean Petrozello for exceptional leadership and management in the Exploration Systems and Operations Division.
Thomas Williams for outstanding leadership, supervisory excellence, and superior customer service to the Exploration Ground Systems and Orion programs in the area of resource management.
Outstanding Public Leadership Medal. This prestigious NASA medal is awarded to non-government individuals for notable leadership accomplishments that have significantly influenced the NASA mission.
Christopher Hopkins for excellence managing the efforts of the successful certification of the Boeing OFT-2 and preparations towards the CFD to the ISS for CCP. Daniel Irvin for excellence managing the efforts of the successful certification of the Boeing OFT-2 and preparations toward the CFT to the ISS for CCP. Terrence Kelly for excellence managing the efforts of the successful certification of the Boeing OFT-2 and preparations toward the CFT to the ISS for CCP. Neil Mizell for exceptional leadership and dedication, meeting our Exploration Ground Systems program command and control Artemis 1 commitments. Kelly Rodriguez for integration and closure of numerous hardware nonconformances and internal SpaceX risks, enabling successful SpaceX Dragon flight readiness from Demo 1 through Crew 2. Brian Ross for excellence managing the efforts of the successful certification of the Boeing OFT-2 and preparations toward the CFT to the ISS for CCP.
Exceptional Service Medal. This prestigious NASA medal is awarded to a government employee for sustained performance that embodies multiple contributions which contribute to NASA's projects, programs, or initiatives.
Lawrence Batterson for exceptional performance to imagery analysis and failure analysis investigations at Kennedy Space Center.
James Davis for outstanding contributions to improving center and agency financial management operations and sustained performance in support of the Office of the Chief Financial Officer.
Ray Diaz for years of dedicated work to the development of integrated business management policy and systems for NASA and the business community.
Hey, I want to recognize Barbara Brown, who is the director of our Exploration Research and Technology Directorate at the Kennedy Space Center, for her leadership in the diversity, inclusion, and equity areas. She has led a team across the center of enthusiastic and innovative people in taking the initiatives from just being the responsibility of our Office of Diversity and Equal Opportunity to being the responsibility of all employees across the center. The group that she has led throughout the past couple of years is a very creative group, and her innovative leadership has led to such initiatives as setting an inspirational goal that the KSC senior leadership team has accepted, to fielding a website that will, a DEIA website that will enable all supervisors to have access to tools to help them with their diversity and inclusion efforts. Barbara, congratulations and thank you for your innovative leadership.
Jeremy Graber for exemplary dedication and a relentless commitment to ensuring that the systems, people, and processes are properly aligned and ready to support Artemis processing.
Joshua Green for recognition of sustained excellence and superior performance supporting the Launch Services Program and the Kennedy Space Center Office of the Chief Financial Officer. Stephen Horn for outstanding, sustained legal guidance and support to NASA programs that has been instrumental to NASA's success over the course of a magnificent civil service career.
Bradley Earlbeck for indelible impact on the development, integration, and test of the Starliner spacecraft for eventual transportation of NASA astronauts to and from the ISS.
Lisa Langham for outstanding leadership and accounting expertise provided to the Office of the Chief Financial Officer.
Glenn Perez for a distinguished career in NASA engineering and for making a profound and widespread impact to the visibility and public awareness of NASA. George Simone for 33 years of stellar technical engineering expertise and leadership in propulsion. Donald Totten for significant contributions to the Commercial Crew Program and improvements in crew safety. Gary Villa for exceptional commitment, performance, and service in significant enhancements to NASA deliverables and operations. Jared Whitaker for outstanding service that was instrumental in the SpaceX Crew 2 launch, the first using a human-certified reused Falcon 9 booster.
Exceptional Public Service Medal. This prestigious NASA medal recognizes any non-government individual for sustained performance that embodies multiple contributions on NASA projects, programs, or initiatives.
Maggie Freeman for outstanding leadership in developing the launch vehicle risk management process in support of the first SpaceX Crew 2 launch of a human-certified reused Falcon 9 booster. Stefania Mooring for exceptional leadership and collaboration with NASA, advancing human spaceflight certification of the Atlas V launch vehicle for NASA's Commercial Crew program. Daniel Niedermeyer for excellence managing the efforts of the successful certification of the Boeing OFT-2 and preparations toward the CFT to the ISS for CCP. Alex Pest for excellence managing the efforts of the successful certification of the Boeing OFT-2 and preparations toward the CFT to the ISS for CCP.
Congratulations to all of the individuals and teams across the Commercial Crew program that are being recognized in these very crucial and critical agency honor awards. The team at CCP is extraordinary, and I want to thank all of you for your great contributions helping us achieve our critical crew transportation services for CCP, which supports the ISS. Thank you again.
In partnering with industry, the agency has gained strength and sustainability. Congratulations to our colleagues at Boeing and ULA. NASA recognizes your many valuable contributions, and we thank you for your dedication and efforts.
We are constantly amazed by the performance of our workforce. You are always raising the bar, and because of your grit and determination, Commercial Crew continues to be a leader in the new era of human spaceflight. Simply put, thank you.
Teresa Puckett for excellence managing the efforts of the successful certification of the Boeing OFT-2 and preparations toward the CFT to the ISS for CCP. John Ramsey for exceptional public service in successfully completing software development in support of Exploration Ground Systems Program Artemis 1 mission milestones. Timothy Reith for excellence in managing the efforts of the successful certification of the Boeing OFT-2 and preparations toward the CFT to the ISS for CCP. Jane Ruitt for exceptional logistics service to the Exploration Ground Systems and International Space Station programs at Kennedy Space Center. Stephen Wilkerson for sustained outstanding performance and contributions in support of mission-critical International Space Station flight hardware processing operations and science.
Exceptional Engineering Achievement Medal. This prestigious NASA medal recognizes both government and non-government individuals for exceptional engineering contributions toward achievement of the NASA mission.
Kyle Davidson for engineering excellence related to Launchpad 39A hydraulic systems expertise that contributed to the safe and successful launch of both the Crew 1 and Crew 2 missions. Adam Dorcas for exceptional performance in designing and delivering critical ground systems to the Exploration Ground Systems program to meet critical Artemis 1 processing milestones. Stephen Larson for outstanding service above and beyond the call of duty, providing technical expertise on multiple mobile launcher umbilical swing arms in support of Artemis 1. Patrick Mills for exceptional engineering achievement in development and human certification of SpaceX Merlin engines for ISS crew rotations and booster reuse on Commercial Crew missions. Stephen Sullivan for exceptionally excelled engineering leadership for collaborative, innovative, quality solutions to safely launch and land astronauts.
Exceptional Technology Achievement Medal. This prestigious NASA medal is awarded to government or non-government individuals for exceptional technology contributions to the NASA mission.
Chetin Keres for the development of a new agency capability to accurately model the multiphysics effects of water in the prediction of the launch acoustics environment. Bruce Vu for the development of a new agency capability to accurately model the multiphysics effects of water in the prediction of the launch acoustics environment.
The Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion Medal is awarded to both government and non-government individuals for outstanding achievement and material contribution to the principles and goals of NASA's diversity, equity, and inclusion programs, either within the government or within the community organizations or groups.
Tiffany Alexander for outstanding contributions to diversity, equality, and inclusion activities at Kennedy Space Center. Barbara Brown for an outstanding innovative leadership approach to a cross-organizational team that provided new solutions to diversity and inclusion efforts at Kennedy Space Center. Becky Murray for exceptional hard work and dedication, resulting in the improvement of diversity, equity, inclusion, and accessibility in the Engineering Directorate.
Exceptional Administrative Achievement Medal. This NASA medal recognizes both government and non-government individuals for a significant, specific achievement or contribution that clearly demonstrates a substantial improvement in administrative support contributing to NASA's mission.
We would like to congratulate Ronnie Lawson for receiving this Outstanding Leadership Medal.
Congratulations, Carlos Calle, for being the first ever recipient of the KSC Center Director Innovation Award.
And congratulations, Deborah Gazzo, for receiving the Exceptional Administrative Achievement Medal. To all of you and to all of the other ER&T recipients, congratulations.
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 Exceptional Administrative Achievement Medal. This NASA medal recognizes both government and non-government individuals for a significant, specific achievement or contribution that clearly demonstrates a substantial improvement in administrative support contributing to NASA's mission.
Deborah Gazzo for exemplary support of KSC's Research and Technology Portfolio, ER&T Programs Office, R&T Management Board, and the NASA Chief Technologists Council.
Janice and I want to recognize some amazing GG CFO employees.
And we want to give a great big shout out to all of our awardees for making dollars make sense every day.
And here are our awardees. Jamie Alfaro,
Winky Chu,
Matt Miller,
Jasmine Foster,
Christine Kennedy,
David Bradford,
Lisa Langham,
Josh Green,
James Davis,
and Tom Williams. Congratulations!
Congratulations!
The Exceptional Achievement Medal is awarded to government employees for a significant, specific achievement or substantial improvement in operations, efficiency, service, financial savings, science, or technology which contributes to the mission of NASA.
David Bradford for exceptional achievement in support of the Exploration Ground Systems Program and the Office of the Chief Financial Officer.
Joseph Dant for outstanding leadership of the team that enabled award in record time of the commercial launch service for NASA's critical Europa Clipper mission. William Diedzik for outstanding achievements and contributions to the mission success of the Exploration Ground Systems Program. Jeffrey Ursum for outstanding service in the identification and response to a change in hydrazine production, mitigating risk across critical NASA missions and the aerospace industry. Kurt Gaber for outstanding technical excellence in advancing multi-agency radiological contingency planning and team readiness for the Mars 2020 launch and mission. Stephen Gilmore for outstanding master planning leadership and support of agency master planning, center planning and development, and KSC's multi-user spaceport. Nicole Jordan for exemplary service and dedication to the Commercial Crew Program and significant contribution to the success of the SpaceX Crew 1 mission. Tushar Patel for exemplary achievement in the qualification of Mobile Launcher 1 facility subsystem components for use in the launch-induced environment. Lauren Patrick for exceptional leadership and technical expertise to the Space Shuttle and Space Launch System programs and Artemis 1 mission. Stephen Pilkington for outstanding public health and medical support to the Kennedy Space Center in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. Carla Rikuki in recognition of outstanding leadership that allowed all major test objectives to be accomplished during underway Recovery Test 8 with the U.S. Navy. Stephen Swichkow for exemplary support, leadership and knowledge of ground electrical and control systems to directly support and enable Commercial Crew Program missions. Nathan Trepal for outstanding leadership and technical excellence in leading the Kennedy Space Center's Arecibo Observatory failure investigation.
The Exceptional Public Achievement Medal recognizes non-government individuals for a significant, specific achievement or substantial improvement in operations, efficiency, service, financial savings, science, or technology which contributes to the mission of NASA.
Stephen Cross for excellence managing the efforts of the successful certification of the Boeing OFT-2 and preparations toward the Boeing crew flight test to the ISS for CCP. Justin Elliott for excellence in planning and executing Artemis 1 integrated spacecraft transportation for the Orion System Environmental Qualification Test Campaign. Stephen Jovain for excellence managing the efforts of the successful certification of the Boeing OFT-2 and preparations toward the CFT to the ISS for CCP. Roy Higginbotham for excellence in planning and executing Artemis 1 integrated spacecraft transportation for the Orion System Environmental Qualification Test Campaign. Alex Haiti for providing exceptional engineering support to NASA's Commercial Crew Program ground team, ensuring safe launches of astronaut crews to the International Space Station.
Hi, I'd like to send a special thanks out there to Lou Nicoli and to Roger Lascourse. Lou, your troubleshooting and software skills are off the charts, and we cannot thank you enough for all the great work you've done in comm. And Roger, your enthusiasm and your willingness to get the job done, no matter how hard, is very much appreciated. Thanks a lot to both of you guys.
Hey Amanda, I'm really proud of this year's Agency Honor Awards list. Check this out. Early career, mid-career, I'm late career. There's exceptional achievement, there's outstanding leadership, there's individual awards, there's group and team awards, technical evaluations, mission, acquisition. There's one about the organization. There's a large mission represented. There's a small mission represented. We have government and contractor. It really shows the breadth and the beauty of LSP.
Yeah, you know, Chuck, it really does. This is amazing how much work that the organization has accomplished in really such difficult times. And we are so lucky to have the jobs that we have and be able to contribute to this agency and do all the great things that come out of launching these missions. And so I'm really proud to be part of the team, and I just want to say congratulations and well done to everybody.
Me too. Ditto.
Patrick Gisanis, for excellence managing the efforts of the successful certification of the Boeing OFT-2 and preparations toward the CFD to the ISS for CCP. Michael McCarley, for excellence managing the efforts of the successful certification of the Boeing OFT-2 and preparations toward the CFD to the ISS for CCP.
Early Career Achievement Medal. This NASA medal is awarded to government employees for unusual and significant performance during the first 10 years of their career in support of the agency.
Daniela Aguilar, for sustained engineering excellence in enabling the success of NASA's commercial programs. Spencer Barr, for your outstanding initiative and contributions to the EGS Safety and Mission Assurance Organization by developing and executing new processes for SMA technical assessments. Kuog Chang, for exceptional dedication to the Commercial Crew Program Ground and Mission Operations Team, directly resulting in increased engineering efficiency for launch support.
Jasmine Foster, for exceptional early career achievements that contributed to significant improvements within the Office of the Chief Financial Officer.
Jamie Gomez, for leadership capabilities shown working with the Human Landing Systems program and through commercial challenges like the cargo loading concepts on the lunar surface.
Christine Kennedy, for significant contributions towards improving NASA's financial management, quality assurance, and ensuring audit readiness in the Office of the Chief Financial Officer.
Robert Patterson, for consistently providing stellar support to the NASA Safety and Mission Assurance SMA Launch Services Division for the Launch Services Program LSP.
Jason Seward, for exceptional support to the Launch Services Program, developing the next generation of launch service contracts with venture-class vehicles servicing risk-tolerant payloads. Trevor Tizell, for exceptional service marked by sustained performance, multiple achievements, and exemplary dedication that has contributed significantly to NASA projects and programs.
Teresa Truzupek, for consistently providing stellar support to the NASA Safety and Mission Assurance SMA Launch Services Division for the Launch Services Program LSP. Hector Vieira Shapiro, for exceptional early career achievements through leadership, dedication, and knowledge of the Kennedy Space Center and Launch Services Program. Alicia Winsley, for exemplary achievement in the Flight Controls Engineering and Operations for Artemis 1.
Silver Achievement Medal. This prestigious NASA Silver Achievement Medal is awarded to government and non-government individuals by NASA Center Directors for stellar achievement that supports one or more of NASA's core values.
John Bernard, for demonstrating all of NASA's core values as Chief Safety and Mission Assurance Officer for the Exploration Ground Systems Program. John Calvert, for successful management and leadership that led to a successful launch of the Mars 2020 mission at the height of the COVID-19 pandemic. Kimberly Fisher, for a steadfast work ethic, attention to detail, and ability to collaborate and establish new partnerships critical to our success. William Fuhrman, for exemplary professionalism, technical leadership, and dedication towards the success of booster developmental flight instrumentation installation and testing. Christina Gonzalez, for outstanding technical leadership of fluid servicing operations for the Exploration Ground Systems and International Space Station programs.
Congratulations, Denise and Randy, on your certificate of commendations. Thank you for all the great work in the UBA office and the NASA mission.
You guys are awesome. Thanks for all the work you guys do in the office.
Hello, my name is Glenn Chin. This is a shout out for Roy Higginbotham, and congratulations on your Group Achievement Award this year at the Agency Award. Congratulations again, and we could not have done it without you. Great job.
Brad Lawar, for exceptional support of the Emergency Egress System Design and Development, Exploration Ground Systems Program, LC-39 Pad A structures, and Crawler Transporter Systems. Anthony Mansk, for significant contributions to increasing the technical credibility of NASA in the area of range flight safety. Eliza Montgomery, for exceptional leadership of 2 simultaneous agency-wide materials engineering assessments, providing critical data to NASA programs. James Nichols, for achievements in supporting the Kennedy Space Center Technology Transfer Program and consistently demonstrating excellence, teamwork, and integrity. Armando Piloto, for successfully leading the Sentinel-6A Michael Freilich mission team through final spacecraft integration to launch vehicle and launch during the COVID-19 pandemic. David Thorpe, for outstanding master planning leadership and support of agency master planning, center planning and development, and KSC's multi-user spaceport. Tristan Tim, for superior radiation exposure control and readiness of radiological emergency response personnel for the Mars 2020 launch. Brett Trahan, for technical excellence and outstanding teamwork in the design, development, and operation of fluid ground support equipment in support of the Artemis program.
The NASA Group Achievement Awards recognize both government and non-government teams for an outstanding accomplishment through the coordination of many individual efforts which have contributed substantially to NASA's mission.
Capstone Launch Service Procurement Team, for dedication and outstanding contributions that resulted in the award of the Capstone Launch Service contract. EGS C3 SEIT FCA PCA Audit Team, for superior sustained performance over the course of the EGS C3 subsystem software development and certification efforts. Launch Services Program University Team, for designing and delivering the Launch Services Program University, contributing to knowledge sharing, workforce engagement, and succession planning of LSP's workforce. LV Propulsion SpaceX Post-Flight Tools Team, for outstanding engineering vision and innovation in the development of a suite of post-flight analysis tools. NASA Europa Clipper Team, for unprecedented schedule and cost achievement and the award of the Europa Clipper Mission Launch Service.
NESC SLS Hydrogen Oxygen Press System Model Team, for outstanding contributions to development of the NASA Engineering and Safety Center independent models of the Space Launch System, hydrogen and oxygen pressurization systems.
OFT2 LV COFR Data Procurement Team, for outstanding efforts with the OFT2 launch vehicle certification of flight readiness data, processing and coordination of procurement efforts. SpaceX Reuse Team, for outstanding efforts to support timely Crew 2 launch vehicle booster single reuse certification product closure. Tropics Acquisition Team, for outstanding dedication, contribution, and expertise that resulted in the awards of the Tropics one-off contract to a new emerging launch vehicle provider.
NASA's Silver Group Achievement Awards recognize any combination of government and non-government individuals for a stellar achievement that supports one or more of NASA's core values.
Tristan, congratulations on the Silver Achievement Medal you're receiving today. Your efforts over 3.5 years on the Mars 2020 mission were very impressive. High quality, consistent, dependable. You were directly responsible for the radiation exposures to the workforce being as low as possible, and you put together an exceptional field monitoring team that was ready to respond to a launch area accident if needed. Thank you for all your dedication and your hard work.
Hey everyone, it's Mike Bolger from the Exploration Ground Systems program. I'm here with Victor and Butch, and we wanted to do a big shout out to all the Artemis Award winners at this year's award ceremony. Congratulations, we are going.
Airlock Module System Requirement Document Team. For exemplary execution of a plan, process, and methodology for development of Gateway Airlock Module system requirements on behalf of the Gateway program. Artemis II/Orion Launch Abort System. For stellar first-time execution of the Artemis II/Orion Launch Abort System relocation per Orion's Hurricane Contingency Plan to evacuate and evade Hurricane Elsa.
CADA Engineering and Operations Team. For developing and operating the CADA subsystem and successfully supporting Artemis development and operations in the Launch Control Center.
CCP Mission Freeze and Support Team. For demonstrating exceptional leadership in partnering mission-critical requirements and advancing agreements to safeguard against real-time mission and operational impacts. CCP Mission Support Team. For demonstrating leadership in partnering CCP mission architecture requirements and advancing agreements to enable successful team training and real-time mission support.
CCP SMA Team at KSC. For exemplary safety and mission assurance of the Commercial Crew Program through technical excellence, productive partnerships, and innovative solutions.
Contract Placement Team. For exemplary demonstration of technical expertise and pursuit of innovative new tools for NASA and Kennedy Space Center. Delivered excellence and organizational improvement.
Crawlerway Conditioning Program Team. For outstanding success in completing the Crawlerway Conditioning Program to support the Space Launch System vehicles. Crew 2 IP Loads Induced and Dynamics Environments. For dedication to the CCP, resulting in the increased safety of the Crew 2 mission and launch availability to support the first CCP Increment 64 crew rotation on the ISS. Dynamic and Clearance JIV Requirement Closure Team. For outstanding support in quick and rapid response on the high priority/high visibility closure of joint cross-program requirement closure for umbilical clearance and loads. EGS Analytics. For creating excellent visuals that communicate EGS schedule performance and schedule risk through the use of the Tableau data visualization tool. Falcon 9 Avionics Team. For consistently demonstrating exceptional teamwork and continued technical excellence in the early completion of numerous Falcon 9 post-flight data reviews.
Flight Controls Engineering Team. For the successful development of launch console displays, software, procedures, and flight controls team training in preparation for the processing and launch of Artemis I. Florida Power and Light Discovery Solar Energy Team. For outstanding coordination and support during the construction of the Florida Power and Light Discovery Solar Energy Center.
Integrated Performance SpaceX Team. For significant contributions to the IV and V and other integrated performance products, leading to the completion of the CCP SpaceX Design Certification milestone.
ISS Payload Processing Fluids Team, for outstanding effort performed to fill and ready NORS tanks for the International Space Station. KSC Business Management System Team, for exemplary leadership, outstanding contributions, and exceptional performance in the implementation of an integrated management system for the Kennedy Space Center. KSC COVID-19 Tracing and Tracking Team, for outstanding support to the Kennedy Space Center through tracing and tracking efforts 7 days a week for COVID-19 since the start of the pandemic. KSC Engineering Support to Orion Production Team, for providing technical expertise to the Orion Artemis Program and Orion Production Office, culminating in the turnover of the flight vehicle to NASA's EGS.
KSC Orion Safety and Mission Assurance Team, for exemplary support of processing and turnover of the Orion Artemis Crew 1 service module.
KSC Portfolio Management SharePoint Tool Team, for stellar demonstration of NASA's core values of teamwork and excellence and development of the KSC Portfolio Management SharePoint tool. Mars 2020 Team, for superior accomplishment in Mars 2020 contingency planning and deployment to protect people, the environment, and high-value assets from potential radiological hazards.
ML2 West Park Site Infrastructure Construction, for exceptional performance in a team effort for the successful, safe, and efficient construction of new utilities for the Mobile Launcher 2 West Park site. MLP2 Demolition Team, for the exceptional performance and team effort for the successful, safe, and efficient disassembly and removal of the Mobile Launch Platform 2.
MPPF Environmental and Life Support Systems Team, for outstanding support and timely operations of the environmental and life support systems of Artemis 1 Orion processing at the Multi-Payload Processing Facility. NG-16 COTS Tank Anomaly Investigation Team, for outstanding performance in the investigation and resolution of the NG-16 commercial off-the-shelf breathing air tanks anomaly.
Hello, distinguished honorees. I want to congratulate Melissa Jones and Jeremy Graber for the well-deserved recognition they are receiving today. You are both true examples of the dedication and initiative that has gotten the Artemis mission and EGS operations to where it is today. Great job, and go Artemis.
Congrats from Deep Space Logistics to our awardees at today's event. Jeff Smith, Stacy Turner, we're very proud of your contributions.
And also to our Airlock Systems Requirements Development Document team, we're really proud of all of you. Thank you for everything.
ONC 30-ton crane installation team, for remarkable teamwork to install the new 30-ton crane and the Neil Armstrong Operations and Checkout Facility. OFT2 HDR ADP Product Closure Team, for performing hardware acceptance data review and package assessments during a short period of time to ensure hardware acceptability and readiness for the launch of OFT2. Precision Measurement and Alignment Laboratory Team, for outstanding efforts and teamwork in performing optical alignment tasks for critical Artemis 1 integration operations.
Restore KSC Coastal Shoreline Team, for outstanding success in the construction of the Restore KSC Coastal Shoreline Phase 2 project.
Space Launch System Engine Avionics Team, for the successful development of launch console displays, software procedures, and engine avionics team training and preparation for the processing of launch of Artemis 1. Space Launch System and Orion C and DH Team, for the successful development of launch console displays, software procedures, and command and data handling team training for the processing of launch of Artemis 1.
SpaceX Quality Group for the exemplary leadership and commitment to the Commercial Crew Program Safety and Mission Assurance Team, and the safety/quality of space flight hardware for NASA CCP crews. Task Order Team for outstanding teamwork in awarding an extraordinary amount of task orders in support of mission milestones, including Artemis, especially during the end of the fiscal year.
VCLS Demo 2 Acquisition Team for outstanding dedication and contributions that resulted in the award of the Venture Class Launch Service Demonstration 2 contract.
Sustainable Environment Awareness Awards. In recognition of individuals or teams that have contributed to successful operations of preserving our environment, conserving our energy, and reserving our natural resources while reaching for the stars. This award is also in honor of demonstrating exceptional performance in making a unique contribution to the environmental and energy awareness program and enhancing substantial savings.
Waste Management, Kimberly-Clark Recycle Right Program Team. The Kimberly-Clark Recycle Right program supports NASA's sustainability policy to execute NASA's mission without compromising our planet's resources. Building Efficiency, Performance Contracts, Phase 1 Utility Energy Service Contract Award Team, Creative Use, Refinement, and Enhancement of KSC Performance Contract Process to implement approved energy conservation measures recurrently. Sustainable Acquisition Reporting Team. The Sustainable Acquisition SA team went above and beyond to meet the outlined agency acquisition goals, creating a process to identify contract actions that were reported incorrectly, and Federal Procurement Data System, Next Generation.
Hello, my name is Glenn Chin. This is a shout out for Bill Koenig. Congratulations on your Group Achievement Award this year at the Agency Honor Awards. We couldn't have done it without you. Congratulations and keep up the good job.
Congratulations to Jim Nichols for your Silver Achievement Medal and to the KSC Portfolio Management SharePoint Tool Team for your Silver Group Achievement Award. All of your hard work continues to make exploration, research, and technology programs and NASA's missions a success. Well done, and thank you again for all of your efforts.
Small Business Industry Awards. Each year, KSC recognizes small businesses that have excelled in supporting the nation's space program as prime contractors or subcontractors. We also recognize the large business that has contributed significantly to the center through its commitment to small business. Small businesses are the dynamo of job creation in this country and bring creativity to problem solving.
Large Business Prime Contractor of the Year, AI Solutions, Inc., for outstanding services to Kennedy Space Center and significant contributions to the agency's small business program under the Expendable Launch Vehicle Integrated Support, ELVIS 3 contract. Small Business Prime Contractor of the Year, Nelson Engineering Company, for outstanding services to Kennedy Space Center and significant contributions to the agency's small business program under the Kennedy Electrical, Mechanical, and NASA Southeast Regional Architect and Engineering Design, SERAE IDIQ contracts.
Small Business Subcontractor of the Year, Frontier Electronic Systems, for outstanding subcontracting construction services to Kennedy Space Center and significant contributions to the agency's small business program under the Commercial Crew, Space Launch Systems, and International Space Station program contracts.
Mentor Protege Agreement of the Year, Jones, Edmonds and Associates, Inc., for outstanding support of the agency's Mentor Protege program as a mentor to Drummond Carpenter PLLC under the Kennedy Civil IDIQ contract. Mentor Protege Agreement of the Year, Drummond Carpenter, PLLC. In recognition of your participation in the NASA Mentor Protege Program as a protege to Jones, Edmonds & Associates, Inc., under the Kennedy Civil IDIQ contract. Small Business Specialist of the Year, Natalie B. Colvin, for outstanding business development efforts in executing innovative practices in support of the agency's small business program. Technical Person of the Year, Michael T. Barth, for outstanding efforts in promoting the agency's Mentor Protege Program and innovative practices in support of the agency's small business program.
The Best of KSC Software Awards recognizes outstanding software developed by KSC teams for the purpose of serving the KSC mission.
Mission category, Spaceport Command and Control Systems, SCCS Abstract.
Institutional category, SNAP Secure Notification Application. SNAP was developed to securely enter, track, status, and report task personnel and task subcontractors. In addition, tracks non-task employee close contacts exposed to COVID-19.
Certificates of Commendation. This award recognizes exceptional individual accomplishment or outstanding direction or management of a program or program segment which affects the entire center or contributes significantly to the center's mission.
Jamie Alfaro, for excellent support with improving efficiency, enterprise transformation, and human capital communications in the Office of the Chief Financial Officer.
Edmund Aries, for outstanding commitment and engineering support to the Launch Services Program during the Lucy mission. Amanda Arrieta, for exemplary leadership and dedication to the Exploration Ground Systems Program and Artemis I mission. Bence Bartha, for dedicated service, outstanding leadership, and significant contributions in fracture control to Commercial Crew Program for Crew 2 and Crew 3 Launch Vehicle Certification. Clara Blakely, for exceptional dedication, professionalism, and contributions provided to spaceport integration and services, enabling timely execution of funding and mission success. Michael Bolding, for exceptional engineering support and leadership associated with the successful reallocation of the launch vehicle hardware to successfully launch the Lucy mission. Dawn Borden, for significant contributions to the long-term success of the Commercial Crew Program by ensuring the integrity and historical record of human spaceflight decisions. Lisa Brown, for leading KSC laboratory safety engineering efforts in improving oxygen deficiency monitoring, electrical safety, toxic commodity handling, and facility safety inspections. Alan Bunting, for outstanding work managing liquid hydrogen, LH2, deliveries throughout the agency and the KSC spaceport during a very busy period that included LH2 supply interruptions. Andrew Butler, for exceptional contributions to NASA's Commercial Crew Program and KSC's Commercial Crew Vehicle Systems team. Juan Calero, for demonstrated remarkable dedication, service, and commitment to NASA's mission as the branch chief of the Crew Vehicle Systems branch within the engineering organization.
Today, Laura and I want to send a big congratulations to all the honorees, but in particular to our OP employees. There are so many today being recognized that it's impossible for me to name each one of them. But know that Laura, myself, and the entire OP team are very proud of each one of you. Once again, congratulations and job well done.
Well, I would also like to give a heartfelt thank you to all the engineering team members also receiving awards today. You guys did a great job, awesome work, congratulations, thank you, and well done.
I'd like to take this opportunity to give a shout out to the analytics team. They have put together their collective talents, and through their analysis, they have influenced decisions that have had a critical impact on the program and the agency. I'm so proud of you guys. Keep up the great work.
Michael Carbone for outstanding management of launch vehicle structures engineering services for Commercial Crew Programs Orbital Flight Test 2. Gregory Chandler for exceptional leadership of the Launch Services Program Mechanical Ground Support Equipment Team. Quinn Chin for exceptional contributions to the Commercial Crew Program and Partners Command and Data Handling Systems Success in Spacecraft Certification for Human-Rated Flight. Wenji Chu for exceptional service to the Office of the Chief Financial Officer, Launch Services Program, and the Lucy Mission. Scott Cieslak for exemplary attention to detail and ensuring safety and success of the first Artemis I umbilical mate operations and the umbilical release and retract test. Samantha Cochran for outstanding legal support to Kennedy Space Center's labor management relations activities. Robert Kaufman for steadfast commitment and exceptional results in planning and managing cross-cutting contract goods and services for the Exploration Ground Systems Program. Thon Lon Dow for outstanding leadership and contributions to the Laboratory Services Contract Management at Kennedy Space Center. Kyle Davidson for engineering excellence in exercising hydraulic systems expertise and contributions to the safe and successful launches of the SpaceX Crew 1 and Crew 2 missions. Christopher Davis for exemplary leadership, service, and commitment to excellence for the success of the EGS program. Melissa Duffy for exceeding expectations, supporting programs through unwavering commitment in the integration, management, and local authority project task orders. Curtis Duker for outstanding leadership and contributions to systems engineering at Kennedy Space Center. Gabriela Escalera Ortiz for outstanding dedication and leadership in the successful integration and management of the OSI and CESO program budgets for local authority project task orders. Denise Freeland for exceptional leadership and skills in leading the NASA team in support of SSPF Science Annex and SLSL activities on SpaceX 22. John Givens for exceptional service to the Commercial Crew Program and Ground Systems Branch. Eric Harp for exemplary performance providing construction administration services for several large and complex construction projects, preparing KSC for the future. Timothy Hott for outstanding customer service and commitment in performing contracting officer responsibilities in an exceptional manner. Nathan Hickman for outstanding leadership and unflagging commitment to Artemis I mission success in the Launch Abort System facility during exceptional COVID-19 impacts. Brian Heinerth for exemplary procurement support to the Commercial Crew Program.
On behalf of the Safety and Mission Assurance Organization, we would like to congratulate all our Honor Award recipients.
All of these awards are very well deserved. We are very proud of you.
John Ilgenfritz for dedication to sharing experience and knowledge, which has significantly contributed to accomplishments of the SMA, Launch Services Division, and KSC. James Ingrata for significantly contributing to the success of the Commercial Crew Program, CCP, Safety and Mission Assurance, CCP, and KSC. Timothy Jace for exceptional contributions to NASA Crew Vehicle Systems and the Commercial Crew Program. Madhukar Jalota for exemplary efforts and commitments to the NASA Launch Services Program and Commercial Crew Program during multiple launch campaigns. Antonia Jaramillo Botero for exceptional skill and passion in promoting agency outreach to the Spanish-speaking audience. Matthew Johnson for exceptional engineering support and leadership associated with the successful launch of the Landsat 9 and DART missions on behalf of the Launch Services Program and NASA. Eric Kirby, for consistent willingness to go the extra mile for peers, customers, and management, and always striving for excellence. Roger Lasores Gui, for supporting enterprise multimedia and integrated technical services requirements development, while also working many imaging tasks, including the Image Management Gallery. Lisa Ledger, for exemplary service, ensuring the engineering organization executes its training funding in the most optimal way possible. Scott Lockwood, for outstanding accomplishments in cross-program integration and interfacing with the Orion program that contributes significantly to the KSC Artemis I mission. Jennifer Marquez, for exemplary service, ensuring the engineering organization has the information technology tools to support its customers during the COVID-19 pandemic. Patrick Meyer, for exceptional contributions to NASA's Commercial Crew Program and KSC's Commercial Crew Vehicle Systems team. Mai Miller, for being the driving force behind the Pathways program at Kennedy Space Center, enabling it to change and improve, and supporting all students and management along the way. Matthew Miller, for providing exceptional resources management support to the Spaceport Integration and Services and the Office of the Chief Financial Officer organizations. Dimitrios Mitsakos, for exemplary efforts and commitments to the NASA Launch Services Program and Commercial Crew Program during multiple launch campaigns. Laren Moody, for support of Safety and Health Days, Safety Culture Work Group, Caught Doing Right Initiative, OSHA Annual Report, and Occupational Safety and Health Cooperative Committee. Chung Win, for outstanding leadership as Landsat 9 Mission Manager for the LSP Mission Integration Team, Landsat 9 Spacecraft Team Alliance Mission Integration Team.
Thank you, Jamie, Sharish, the ISS Payloads Processing Fluids Team, and the NG-16 COTS Tank Anomaly Investigation Team for all of your hard work to make exploration, research, and technology programs and NASA mission a success.
Congratulations to each and every one of you on an outstanding accomplishment. Well deserved. Congratulations.
Tony,
congratulations for all you do.
Y en especial, muchas gracias por toda tu ayuda con el programa de español.
¡Yay! ¡Yay!
Louis Nicoli, for exceptional technical skills in resolving complex problems with the Kennedy Space Center Paging and Area Warning System, Internet Protocol Software. Jermaine Olivier, for exemplary efforts as a launch vehicle flight mechanics expert in support of science, mission directorate customers, and furthering NASA's capabilities through mentorship. Nicholas Palladino, for exceptional contributions to NASA and the engineering partner's success in spacecraft flight software for human-rated flight. Sharish Patel, for successfully establishing a capability at KSC using a Gateway program-provided emulator to enhance Gateway ground processing efforts. Slade Peters, for outstanding leadership and performance during planning and execution of URT-9 shore operations 3 times that allowed for a fully certified Artemis I recovery team. Matthew Pringle, for exemplary leadership, service, and commitment to excellence for the success of the EGS program. Ermin Ramiskal, for exemplary leadership, service, and commitment to excellence for the success of the EGS program. Bianca Rhyme, for outstanding technical support with pre-flight testing of International Space Station external payloads and late stow operations for SpaceX cargo resupply flights. Joseph Shue, for exceptional accomplishments as lead electrical subsystem project manager, contributing significantly to the Exploration Ground Systems program and KSC missions. Thomas Shattuck, for exemplary leadership, service, and commitment to excellence for the success of the EGS program. Ali Shakian, for outstanding support and dedication to the established program to stimulate competitive research projects and all related activities.
Jason Seward, for outstanding expertise and commitment to the venture class acquisition for dedicated and rideshare launch services acquisition.
David Slayman, for exemplary leadership, dedication, and technical expertise as the lead ground integration engineer for the Exploration Ground System Program's Launch Control System. Jeffrey Smith, for continuous and outstanding contributions to the development of mission capability and sample return concepts in support of deep space logistics and Artemis endeavors. Andrew Sokol, for exceptional engineering support and leadership associated with successful DSTAC and reallocation of launch vehicle hardware to support the launch of the Lucy mission. Lowell Spalding, for exceptional contributions to NASA's Commercial Crew Program and KSC's Commercial Crew Vehicle Systems team. Christopher Taylor, for outstanding commitment and engineering support to the Launch Services Program during the Landsat 9 campaign. Richard Thompson, for outstanding technical support to the NASA Engineering Organization and the Commercial Launch Vehicle Avionics System Branch. David Tomasic, for exceptional contributions to NASA's Commercial Crew Program and KSC's Commercial Crew Vehicle Systems team. Stacy Turner, for outstanding leadership of strategy and collaboration efforts and initiatives for the Deep Space Logistics Project Office. Randall Wade, for exceptional leadership and skills providing an efficient oxygen monitoring system for the flight and plant processing area environmental chambers.
Well, hello, Kennedy Space Center. I would like to give a shout out to Eric Denson, our electrical chief engineer, for receiving the agency's highest award, the Distinguished Service Medal. Another shout out to Steve Sullivan, the commercial crew chief engineer, for receiving the Exceptional Engineering Achievement Medal. And finally, our associate director, Ms. Becky Murray, an Outstanding Leadership Medal. All of you have done a terrific job supporting NASA, KSC, and engineering. Thank you very much and congratulations.
On behalf of Spaceport Integration and Services Management, we celebrate this well-deserved recognition of the SI honorees. Your pivotal contributions benefit the entire center, agency, and country. You make us the preeminent launch complex. I laud you and thank you for your unparalleled dedication and stupendous efforts.
Tricia Wheeler, for exemplary financial management and exceptional dedication to the Exploration Ground Systems Program and Operations and Technical Management team. Marissa Weisling Horn, for going above and beyond in providing exemplary leadership and systems engineering skills in the highly successful launch campaign activities for Landsat 9 EFS and DART. David Yasinski, for applying a prodigious knowledge of aerospace metallurgy to solve materials and processing issues for NASA's flight vehicles and KSC's ground support equipment.
Diversity and Equal Opportunity Award. This award is granted for outstanding contributions to create and promote an inclusive environment for equal opportunity.
Jose Lopez, for unwavering dedication to creating an environment which is accessible and welcoming to minorities, women, and employees with disabilities.
Strategic Leadership Award. This award embodies the future direction of KSC through demonstrated leadership and initiative, drive, breakthrough performance, and change.
Sasha Sims, for superior strategic leadership, judgment, and foresight in procuring SLS and ground operations services that support a robust and affordable future for KSC.
Center Directors Innovation Award. This prestigious award recognizes KSC civil servants for their contributions of turning innovative ideas into value. These innovations are not limited to technology, but can also represent novel business practices that save the agency valuable resources and ensure mission success.
Carlos Galle, for exceptional leadership in the development of the innovative electrostatic dust shield technology and support of NASA's Artemis missions.
KSC Employee of the Year Award. This award is granted to a civil servant that has demonstrated outstanding contribution to NASA's mission, values, and/or goals. The honoree for this award represents the center's best of the best from among each organization's Employee of the Year.
Tracy Lee Belford, for demonstrated support and remarkable contributions made to KSC's programs, operations, and institutions.
The Center Directors Award honors an employee who has exemplified through personal effort and innovation the highest standards and commitment to the application of continual improvement principles and practices, or for the accomplishment of a job-related task of such magnitude and merit as to deserve special center recognition.
Dr. David Tipton, for distinguished, sustained commitment and leadership of Kennedy Space Center's health and medical program during an unprecedented pandemic, enabling mission success.
So we hope you've enjoyed this virtual KSC's Agency Honor Awards ceremony. From all of us at NASA and the Kennedy Space Center, thank you for your dedication and commitment to the nation's space program and to our center. And thank you for your part of writing our center's legacy.
And thank you to all those supporting our workforce at home. Congratulations to our honorees. Let's make this year one for the record books by setting new standards of excellence.
Let's embrace the challenge.